Samsung fans, get ready. The next-gen powerhouse is almost here. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, successor to the Tab S10 Ultra, is making waves online with fresh leaks, certifications, and jaw-dropping renders. Let's dive into everything we know so far. Design and display. According to newly surfaced renders, the Tab S11 Ultra flaunts a sleek premium design with a dual rear camera setup, LED flash, and support for the iconic S Pen stylus. On the front, a teardrop-style notch houses the selfie camera, simpler than last year's dual camera layout. The tablet is expected to feature a massive 14.6-inch OLED display, now with thinner bezels and rounded corners, making it even more immersive and elegant than its predecessor. Performance and power. Under the hood, the Tab S11 Ultra could be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, promising blazing fast performance. It's also rumored to pack a 11,600 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, ensuring all-day productivity and entertainment. Certifications and launch timeline. Spotted on the IECE certification website, the Tab S11 Ultra is inching closer to its official debut. Industry insiders suggest a launch in the coming weeks or months, possibly in a sleek gray colorway. Camera upgrades. While the rear camera setup remains dual lens, the front camera sees a shift to a single selfie shooter, unlike the dual 12mm setup on the Tab S10 Ultra. This could mean a more streamlined design, but will it affect selfie quality? We'll have to wait and see. Comparison with Tab S10 Ultra. Last year's Tab S10 Ultra featured a Dimensity 9300 Plus SoC, 11,200 mAh battery, and up to 12GB RAM with 512GB storage. The S11 Ultra seems to push the envelope further in design, battery, and performance. Final thoughts. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most refined tablet yet, perfect for creatives, professionals, and tech enthusiasts. With powerful internals, a stunning display, and S Pen support, it's ready to take on the competition.